The question is, how do you handle testing thousands of endpoints without manually writing every single test? And this is where AI becomes critical. Watch this. I'm going to import an OpenAPI spec for a loan processing API. This spec has multiple endpoints, loan applications, ID handling, attachments, signature, mobile applications, payment methods, etc. So I'm going to open up our SmartBear AI feature. I'm going to import a definition. So the challenge we often see with QAs is that you have a definition, then you really need to understand the definition to build out all of the test case. And that's what takes time. What we can do with our Ready API SmartBear test generation offering is that you can add the AI prompt in natural language and just describe the scenario that you want to test. So here I have a test definition that's just outlining what I want to do with an EasyPay Finance API. And I've broken down all of the steps of the things I want to build a test case for. The user here has complete control over AI and Ready API. So it can be managed, it can be configured based on your organization's security requirements. And we can support AI generated or manual test creation. We'll look at the AI generated test generation at this moment first as well. We've two settings with performance or accuracy. Performance is really for those light use cases that maybe is a simple API, simple test scenario that you want to build out. Accuracy takes a little bit more time, but what it does is it generates more detailed cases with deeper analysis as well, because what we're doing here is Ready API is going to analyze the spec and then based on the natural language prompt, generate the test steps for the scenario that we want to go with. So instead of manually writing the test scenario here, then I'm clicking generate AI tests and using those natural language prompts to describe the scenario that I want Ready API to test for. So it's analyzing the spec now, building out the test steps, and it's adding the assertions that are needed. And here we have that test. So I'm going to go into this one, which I've just pre-configured with my authorization keys, but I'm going to show you what that spec looks like. So here we have the Easy Finance API with all of the endpoints that are in that API. And here we have the steps that are listed. So we're able to authenticate the API key, create the pre-qualification application, retrieve the application details, submit post-financing details as well. If I had to write all of this, it would take me quite some time to put it together as well. It also includes the logic for the business case, and it includes things like property expansion so that the chaining of the data from request to request and response to request is handled here as well. And it's done. A functional test generated in under a minute.